Wait, before you skip this video, what if I tell you that your ordinary smartphone can start making you money using AI? No laptop, no expensive equipment, just your phone, internet, and smart work. Remember, smart work. Now, that is where the problem lies. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 powerful ways that you can start making money with AI using your phone. And you know the best part? Even beginners can start today. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because number 3 is the easiest one that you can start even right after watching this video. To be honest with you, a lot of Nigerian things that you need a laptop for you to start making money online using your phone in Nigeria. But guess what? That's not true anymore, because today we have AI tools that can do most of the work for you using just your phone. You can create images, create videos, write scripts, start social media pages, start a YouTube channel, or even sell digital products online. And people are already making money from this, but you don't know. So make sure you watch this video to the end, like the video and share so more people can see it. And then don't forget to comment. Let's go. Number 1, AI content creation. The first way to start making money with AI using just your phone is AI content creation. And this is the fastest way you can make money online today in Nigeria and anywhere in the world. And a lot of people are already doing it. You can start creating funny videos, animal videos, motivational videos, storytelling videos, or educational content, and be posting it on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and even YouTube, and you will start earning money with your videos. So how do you go about it, and how do you do it? Wait, let me show you. Step 1, use ChatGPT to generate your script for everything you want. For example, let's say you want to start creating funny videos and be posting it on social media. You can just go to your ChatGPT and type in, write a funny story about 2 Nigerian quotes arguing about food. And in seconds, AI will give you the full story. And guess what? It will be funny and accurate and very interesting. Step 2, use CapCut to edit your videos. With CapCut, you can add music, add sounds, effects, captions, and even create a viral style videos. Step 3, create a TikTok page, Facebook, Instagram, and even a YouTube channel, and start uploading those videos. Let me say, between 4 to 6 months, with your consistency, your pages can be monetized and you start earning money from it. Number 2, selling of AI images. Now, the second way for you to start making money with AI using just your phone is for you to start selling AI images. Let me explain this. There are a lot of companies that need logo, social media images, posters, and a YouTube thumbnails. And you can create this and start selling it on digital platforms. You can do it with just your phone and AI. Let me show you. Step 1, use AI tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI to generate your images. See it here. Use them. You can generate posters. Any kind of posters, you can create it. A YouTube thumbnail, you can create it. Just tell them what you want and provide the photos. They will do everything for you. Step 2, sell your designs on digital platforms. You can use digital platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Look at them here. You can use them, you can upload it there, and people will be paying for it. Companies will be buying it. And a lot of people are doing business there. They are selling all these things and you don't know. You were not informed. Now, I'm here to inform you. Do this and thank me later. That's number 2. Number 3, Faceless AI video channel. Alright, now, this is my favorite. I'm not going to lie. It is called Faceless YouTube channel, which means you don't show your face, but you still make money. And this is what I'm doing. And I advise you to start immediately after watching this video. You can decide to create a channel about funny videos, motivational videos, storytelling videos. You can be telling stories, Nigerian stories, any kind of stories alone, even celebrity stories or documentary. You can be doing it with your consistency. Once your channel is monetized, boom, it is done. You'll be making money. And let me give you one advice. Many people fail online because they watch videos but they never start. Just choose one method. Don't try to do everything at once. I will advise you on this because it will be very draining. Just choose one method today, right after watching this video, and go for it. Start posting it. Even if your first video gets just 10 views or 2 views, don't stop. Never stop. Keep posting. Consistency is what brings success. Never stop. Keep going. A lot of people that you are seeing them having big YouTube channels, they struggle for it. It is not easy anyway. Just believe in yourself. Make sure that you are consistent. That's the most important thing. If you know that you learned something from this video, don't forget to like and share this video so more people can share it. If you have any question to ask, you can ask me on the comment section. I'm always available to answer. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can be getting notified whenever I'm posting videos like this. If this is your first time coming across my video on YouTube, my name is Josh Boy. What I do is I teach people how to make money with AI, how to use their phone and be making money online at their comfort home. You don't need to get shop to do all those things. And also teach people how to grow their social media pages. So all this thing I'm telling you, if you need ideas on how to grow your Facebook or TikTok account, I can tell you about it. And there are some videos on this my channel that I've made about that long ago, and I will still be making another video. Thank you for watching this video. Remain blessed.